Hey guys, Michelle here from MyColdTherapy to talk to you today about determining which knee pad is the right size for you. It's a common question that we get, and today we're going to help you figure that out. So there are 3 knee pad sizes for the Breg Polar Care Cube system and the Breg Polar Care Glacier system. Today we're going to talk about the 4 key factors in determining which knee pad is the right one for you, plus a bonus tip to keep in mind. So key factor number 1 is the types of knee pads. Key factor number 2, measurements. Key factor number 3, sizing. And key factor number 4, how to apply the pads. Also, bonus tip, sterile dressing. So let's dive right in. Let's start with key factor number 1, the different types of pads. There are 3 different types of knee pads available for the Breg Polar Care Cube system and the Breg Polar Care Glacier system. When you receive the pad, it's going to come in a sealed bag. Please keep in mind that once this sealed bag has been opened, the pad is not returnable or exchangeable. The first available knee pad is the regular knee pad, which is part number 04700. The next one is the large knee pad, which is part number 04703. And the third one is the extra large knee pad, which is part number 04705. Now, let's move on to the next key factor. Key factor number 2 is measurements. We measure each pad by length and width, and we're going to show you the dimensions of each model. Also, keep in mind that the Velcro straps are included with your pads, so once you receive the pad, you'll be ready to go. So the first pad is the regular knee pad. It is 11 1/4 by 10 1/4. The next knee pad is the large. This pad is 11 1/2 by 12. And our final knee pad is the extra large knee pad. The measurements for this one are 12 1/4 by 19. Now we're ready to move on to the next key factor. Key factor number 3 is sizing. Let's determine which is the right size for you. So in order to determine sizing, you need to measure 6 inches above your kneecap, starting in the center of your kneecap. Once you've gone up 6 inches, you're going to want to measure the circumference of your thigh. So bring it around, and once you've got your circumference, you're ready to determine which size is the best for you. If you are below 27 inches circumference, you would want to get the large knee pad. If you're more than 27 inches circumference, you would get the extra large pad. If you are a petite adult, or if this is for a child, you would want to get the regular size knee pad. Now, let's move on to the final key factor.
Quick reminder, if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel or think about giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us, and it helps us create content for you. Also, you can purchase the products featured in the video directly from our YouTube store. Now let's get back to the review.
Key factor number 4 is applying the pad. Now that you've determined which is the correct pad for you, let's show you how to apply it. Since the regular and large knee pads are similar, the application process is the same for both of those. The extra large knee pad, however, differs slightly, so we're going to show you how to apply that one separately. So we're going to take our pad, and this is the large knee pad. You're going to start with the part that's going to go above your knee, around your lower thigh. Pull the strap around, tighten it, then go ahead and bring around the bottom part. And this is where you can adjust it to make it looser or tighter depending on your need. Now we're going to apply the extra large knee pad. So this one, the larger part, goes above the kneecap around the lower thigh. So you're going to bring around that strap, fasten it into place. Then you're going to bring around the strap for the lower part. And just like with the other pad, this is where you can loosen it or tighten it depending on your need. Now, let's talk about the bonus tip. Now for the bonus tip, the sterile dressing. Remember, before using your cold therapy pad, you must always have a barrier in place between the pad and your skin to prevent frostbite or other skin irritation. We do offer sterile dressings for sale on our website and in our YouTube store. Alternatively, you can also use a thin cloth, a towel, or a piece of clothing as a barrier. Just make sure there's always something between the pad and your skin. So for the regular knee pad and the large knee pad, they use the same sterile dressing, which is part number 04708. So once you get your dressing, you're going to pull it out of the package, open it up, and remove the 2 tabs that are in place. Take your sterile dressing, place it down onto the pad, press it down, and then you're ready to apply. Then we're going to show you how to apply it to the extra large knee pad. The extra large knee pad uses a different sterile dressing, and it is part number 04908. Once you get it, take it out of the package, open it up, and you will also see the tabs in place with this pad as well. Go ahead and remove each of these tabs and then put it in place. And you'll see, of course, you'll match it up to the pad. So the smaller part goes down here, the bigger part up here, and the same concept, which is to press it down so that it's securely in place in the pad, and then you're ready to apply it. Now that you know the 4 key factors in determining the right size knee pad for your Breg Polar Care Cube or Breg Polar Care Glacier System, click on the next video to learn how to use your ColdTherapy unit. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get back to living.